Sytoxcar.
The 2025 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo marks a thrilling return of one of the most beloved performance cars in automotive history. Known for its rally heritage and exceptional handling, the Evo has long captured the hearts of car enthusiasts. With this new iteration, Mitsubishi aims to blend cutting-edge technology with the raw driving experience that fans have come to expect. This combination promises to reignite the passion for the Evo nameplate and cater to a new generation of drivers. At the heart of the 2025 Lancer Evo is a powerful turbocharged engine that delivers exhilarating performance. Rumored to produce over 300 horsepower, the new Evo is expected to feature an advanced all-wheel drive system that enhances traction and stability, making it ideal for both daily driving and spirited weekend outings. With its lightweight construction and finely tuned suspension, the Evo aims to provide a thrilling driving experience, whether on winding mountain roads or the racetrack. Inside, the Lancer Evo is designed to offer a perfect balance of sportiness and comfort. The driver-focused cockpit features high-quality materials, supportive seats, and an array of modern technology. A state-of-the-art infotainment system with seamless smartphone integration keeps drivers connected, while advanced safety features provide peace of mind. The interior aesthetics pay homage to the Evo's racing roots, with sporty accents and a layout that prioritizes driver engagement. Mitsubishi has also embraced sustainability with the 2025 Evo, introducing hybrid technology that enhances fuel efficiency without compromising performance. This eco-friendly approach not only meets the demands of modern drivers, but also positions the Evo as a contender in an increasingly green automotive market. The hybrid system is designed to offer instant torque, making the driving experience even more dynamic and responsive. With its return, the 2025 Mitsubishi Lancer Evo stands as a testament to the brand's commitment to performance and innovation. By combining a rich heritage with contemporary technology and environmental consciousness, Mitsubishi is set to captivate both longtime fans and new enthusiasts. As anticipation builds for its release, the Evo is poised to reclaim its position as a legendary figure in the world of performance cars, ready to take on the roads once again.